Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. This is a short video. This is just an idea that I got because I'm working on a little miniature project, a Christmas project, and I needed some little walls, some small walls that I'm going to decorate with this beautiful paper. And I figured I'd take the other part of a card, which is the back part, and wrap that up, and that'll be my wall. So for example, this card, I never knew who it was from. Okay, this one I got, and it doesn't, I mean, up here where I'm covering, that's just my name and my hubby's name, so I covered that. But other than that, it doesn't say who it's from or nothing like that. Those I can't really, I put them away. Okay, they're not gonna do anything. So I figured, let me cut them out, let me remove them, detach them from the front part, and I'll make something out of that. So I'm going to take this part, right, the back part, and I'm going to wrap that up with this beautiful paper. Let's see how it comes out. Okay. And you'll see a future video in which I'm using this this wall that I'm making here. I just need to cut the paper to size right now. Let's see here. Okay. You hear me cutting, but you don't see it. I'm going to show you in a minute. You'll see in a second what this looks like, okay? So it's going to be like you're wrapping up a present. Same thing, okay? And I'm going to show you after I wrap it what I need it for. Okay. This is the way it's looking. Okay, so now I have my little wall. I can do this with different patterns of wrapping paper, but I like this one. Okay, so that makes one wall for what I need it for. So I'm gonna take you over to the area where I am making my project so that you can see the idea why I need this. You can use this as flooring too, but see this over here? You place like a plant in there. I bought that at a yard sale a long time ago, and I already started cutting the paper to go on the floor. If I take this paper off, what's underneath is some paper that has like grass on it from a magazine. I had kind of like a summer setting in there, but now I want to make a Christmas setting. So as you can see, right on the sides, it looks like it has windows and all that. I want to cover these specifically with walls. So that's the way it's going to look. There's going to be one there and one on this side. That's why I wanted these walls. And I took cardboard from Christmas cards and I just wrapped them up. So stay tuned for this cute little Christmas setting right in here. Thanks for watching.